Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Download the Webull app or visit Webull. And start by creating a username, email, and strong password. You must submit a government ID, full legal name, date of birth, and your social security number for identity verification and tax reporting. Expect approval in 1 to 3 business days. Choose between a cash account or a margin account. Cash accounts have 0 minimum deposit while margin accounts require 000 to enable margin trading. Read and accept the user agreements and margin disclosures to proceed. Link your bank via ACH using your bank routing and account numbers to fund Webull. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to clear. Webull offers an instant deposit feature up to 000, so you can begin trading immediately while ACH clears. To move holdings from another broker, request an ACATS transfer. Partial or full transfers usually complete in 5 to 7 business days and may carry transfer fees from the sending broker. Always confirm transfer details and expected arrival dates in the app. Start by searching the ticker and reviewing the quote, volume, and recent news. Choose an order type. Market orders execute immediately at current prices, limit orders set the maximum buy or minimum sell price, and stop orders trigger a market or limit order when a specified price is reached. Set duration to day or good till canceled, GTC, enter quantity as shares or dollar amount, and review estimated buying power and total cost. Webull offers commission-free trades for U.S. stocks and ETFs. After submitting, monitor fills, adjust orders, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.